Because how we emotionally react and respond, a lot of times is also based on what we can and can't stomach. Yeah. When someone is intentional about us and we don't have to always be intentional about ourselves, doesn't that feel good? Right? You feel seen. You feel seen. If you don't feel seen, if the spaces that you're in, you don't feel seen in as often as you need to be, you gotta find new spaces.
How we feel is definitely gonna drive the love that we showcase ourselves, like how we show up, right? So our physical encompasses touch, or how we feel, like what's our energy level like? Are we putting too much on our plate? Like, are we thinning ourselves out, right? Are we eating bad? Are we exercising? Like all that physical. A lot of times self-love is, people think self-love, self-esteem, self-confidence, right? It's kind of like all in the same thing, and it's actually not, right? Self-love is the house, and inside of self-love, we encompass confidence, esteem, image, and things like that, right?
When you're waking up in the morning, right, and these are serving as bits of affirmation for yourself, right, acceptance. I want you to wake up in the morning and start to tailor your days around these words, right? Like, these are feelings that we can embody, right? They're feelings that either we've known before or maybe we've known the opposite, which means that we know that there's a big gap between where we're trying to get to, right? So we have some relation to these feelings that we mentioned. And when you're able to wake up in the morning and you're able to say, today, right? What can I do to offer myself more acceptance?
See and experience the evolved me. See, the reality, ladies, is the best version of you is still evolving. I 100% believe that God would never take something from you if he doesn't have anything better for you. I know all of you at this point, you've been through all the workshops. This is your last one, right? Yes. Has it not been phenomenal, ladies? Right, well, give yourselves a hand for being here this year.